See, we sold around 13,000 yesterday. So it's one day profit. Today we already sold around $2,000.
What's the amount that we need to have store with $400,000 monthly? We do Amazon dropshipping with him. How much money our clients need to have to start a big dropshipping store in Amazon like this? Welcome back to the channel, my friends. I am Vitan and I left my job as a software engineer 7 years ago to start online business. Now I have 29 people in India. Sam is the manager there. Try to explain to the people that watch my channel what they need to do to start in Amazon and how much money they need for the beginning.
See, honestly, there is no rules for starting in the beginning. Okay, the problem is here that if the account is at least 6 or 8 months old and it has couple of feedback, then it will be good to get great sales. But if the account is pretty new, then we are not able to take the risk because this account got suspended, might be. So it's better to have 1, 2, 3 feedbacks. And however, we are providing the reinstate service also, but it is very costly. We can reinstate the account if the account got suspended, but it will be a costly service.
Reinstate the accounts of these people if it's necessary, but it's better to have old account with some history to not have this problem.
Yeah. And another thing is that clients need to give us the complete access of their account. We do not need their master login details, but we need the child access, because I face few of those clients, they are not feel comfortable to give us the full access. See, sometimes we need to change the shipping template and the automation process and everything. So for that we need the full access. It's called bank statement and payment. We do not need these two information. This is the client personal things. We do not need those things.
Okay, then if somebody want to work with us, he needs to be ready to add your account as associate in his Amazon seller account. Otherwise, we don't accept the clients, and he need to have some money. How much money you need to start? Because I think that if somebody is with only $1,000, I don't want to work with him because the profit will be too low, man.
Yes, and the work will be very hard. You know, see, there is a lot of people compete with a lot of products. Okay, and when we got the client's account, then you have to understand that they don't have all the ungated category, which is most important. But if we have ungated category, then it is great to work, because no one will be compete over there, because a lot of people don't know what is ungated category. Okay, and they start with selling on Amazon, and if they sell that apply to sell option, okay, then they know they need the permission from Amazon to sell those products, but they don't know how to get those category. So we will help also there. But the thing is that client have to be prepared for the investment. As I saw you earlier, one client has invested $87,000.
See, if you check this sheet, this client invested around $87,000 and it's November sheet, okay? And he has profit around 19.42%. You can see ROI, return of investment, and he has around $12,000 profit, net profit after paying the Amazon fees. You can see here there is fees already. We deduct the fees which Amazon took. So this is the clean profit actually.
If somebody come with $5,000, at least $5,000, we can take. Otherwise, I don't think that it's a good idea.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, thank you very much for this conversation. I will share this in my channel. It will be helpful for the people that watch the channel, because very often I receive questions from people that are not with good amount of money and they want to make money without money. They don't have LLC in USA, they don't have knowledge, they don't have account in Amazon, they don't have anything, but they want to make money. This is not possible.
When someone want to start, he need to be dedicated towards the support, because sometimes, as you know, we don't have the client documents. Okay, so we need the 100% support from client end, and once the business went through, then there will be a less requirement for client. Just it will took some time in beginning then it will be a automation, and we will take care about everything.
Awesome, man. Thank you very much for your joining. Don't forget to watch our video how we have over $272,000 sales in our Amazon account. Thank you very much, Sam, and see you.